I saw a bluebird trapped in a cage, full with rage. I saw a bluebird writing its name, cursing its fame. I saw a bluebird fighting its tears with increasing fear. I saw a bluebird trying to get out. The pain made it shout. It sobbed, it cried, its soul broke apart. After so many struggles, it finally turned quiet and stared at the sky above, accepting that was its past. I watched its eyes, which had a hidden dream, a doubt, a grief, and a muffled scream. So I opened the door of its cage, tried to let it free, tried to let it live, tried to let it be. It took its first step and its feet touched the ground below. It flapped its wings constantly but could never soar above. It flapped and continued to try. But then it turned out that the bluebird forgot how to fly.